Okay, we have another swarm of bees. I don't know if it's the same swarm. It doesn't look quite as big. I'm just going to kind of sneak up and just kind of zoom in a little bit. I'm just kind of following it. It's right by this post right here. And it goes out to here, so in this whole area. Oh, they're going down in the ground. Right there. I can't get any closer. Wow. I wonder if you can hear it. Oh, they're coming this way. Oh boy. I'm gonna back up. I'm actually pretty far back. That's about as far back as I am. And the wind is blowing that way.